So today we're at McDonald's. We're getting a Minecraft movie meal, the McHappy meal. This is the second time getting one. So the first one was the Creeper. Now we're going to see which toy this one is. So in this box you can see the redstone. It says a Minecraft movie, redstone block, and Creeper. Let's open it up. So we're opening it up so you get to see what's inside. So under the box here, you get to see the redstone. There's some stickers or something in there. Now we're going to undo this and see the toy. So you have almost like this puzzle box contraption, which says a Minecraft movie. It's meant to be redstone. This is really cool. So the first one I got was a Creeper. This is the redstone Creeper, so it's just really cool. So this one is smaller than the original one I got, which you can see in a different video. And then it comes with this, which opens up and you can connect all the different characters to it. So when you open it up, this is how it looks. And then you can put the character on, you can attach it to them. So the second Minecraft character, so this one, now I have both Creepers, the big one and this one. This one folds up into the box. This one is really cool. This one is a lot smaller. So this one also has all the stickers, so you can actually decorate the box as if it was like Minecraft. You can put all the different blocks together, which is really... So that was first look at this Minecraft here, second from the set. So thanks for watching.